Hello everybody, welcome back to this basic lectures course. Now we are going to talk about that how you can use the torrent in the Kali Linux, and you can install with the simple command. You don't need to worry about it. Just enter in the root mode and run the command here apt install qbit qBittorrent and then press enter. And you can see that this tool is already installed because I recently installed it, but now I can show you that where it is available. If I search here qBittorrent and here is the torrent. Now press enter and here is a torrent. I already download some file through the torrent like Black Arc Linux and Kali Linux full version image, which is installed in this laptop or in some other laptops. So you have all the features torrent enabled. I'm going to cancel it and also exit from here. That's it for this video. We learned that how we can install the torrent in the Kali Linux.